Here it comes, he's about to say it.
So you see.
So you see.
Why does he always use that line? Can't you think of anything else?
I'm pretty sure it's on purpose. I mean, I also already put it on a t-shirt.
I guess we can ask him at the meet and greet on Sunday. What time is it at again?
9 a.m.
For real? Nice. Want some?
Heck yeah. I wish my mom let me have ice cream before dinner.
I do whatever I want.
10 seconds later.
Joey! You know the rules. No ice cream before supper.
I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit.
Oh, come on, Mom. David's mom lets him. Right, David?
So, if I were to call your mom right now...
No. Wait.
Exactly. You already had too many sweets today. You know your stomach starts to hurt when you eat too many.
That's not true. I can eat way more.
Here, eat this. It's good for your stomach.
I don't want a banana.
Why do you have to be so strict all the time?
Everything okay?
Nope.
WWDMD. What would DHAR Man do?
Disgusting!
What are you searching on? The new DHAR app. He just launched it. It's the easiest way to watch his videos now. This one?
Yeah, it's super scary. It has an evil clown in it.
Really? It's not too scary, is it?
Bruh.
Okay, fine. I'll put it on.
Oh yeah. You guys aren't scared of clowns, are you?
Okay, this is when the clown shows up. Watch it, watch it.
Joey?
Gotta stop creeping up on me.
I don't know why you're scared. I was just coming to tell...
Hello there.
Huh,
Nice try.
I see.
Yeah, like that's gonna work.
Hey! We were watching that.
You know you're not allowed to watch scary movies at night. That's how you get nightmares.
I'll be fine. Come on.
No, the last time you did this, you couldn't even sleep in your own bed. You had to come and sleep with me.
No, I've never slept with you. Just give me the remote back.
Rules are rules. You know that.
This is so unfair.
I'm sorry, honey. Besides, David, your mom just texted. She said she was pulling up. You better get going. And you better get going to bed. And you certainly shouldn't be eating this popcorn.
Oh, why do you have to ruin everything?
What are you doing? It's past 9 p.m. You're not supposed to be playing video games.
1 sec, I'm about to beat this level.
Joey, please don't make me tell you twice. I will take your PlayStation away. 5, 4, 3.
2.
Oh, fine. I don't understand why I have to go to bed anyway. It's Friday night and I'm not even tired. I should be able to stay up as long as I want to.
If you don't get sleep now, you're going to ruin your day tomorrow, honey. Now get up and go brush your teeth.
All right, I'm out. See you guys later.
All right, bye.
How come he gets to go out and I can't even play video games?
You know the answer to that. Your brother's 17. It's different.
But even I have to be home by midnight.
Thank you. And as long as you both live under my roof, you have to abide by my rules.
I hate this house and I hate these rules. I can't wait to move out so nobody can tell me what to do.
WWDMD.
Mum, you on them drugs again?
Good morning, Joey.
What's all this?
Well, Today's your lucky day because you get to be in charge.
What are you talking about?
No more rules for the next 24 hours. You have until 10 a.m. tomorrow. So, have fun.
Wait, are you serious? You mean I get to do whatever I want?
You got it.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
We'll see about that. Now come on and grab some breakfast. I made some eggs.
Nah. I think I'll have ice cream instead.
For breakfast?
Just like you said, I can do what I want.
Suit yourself. Hey, I'm headed to the... Whoa. That's a lot of sugar.
Yup, and I'm going to eat all of it. Wanna know why?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
That's true. Well, I'm headed to the store. You wanna come?
Nope.
It's about 1 p.m. Are you just gonna stay in your pajamas?
Maybe. If I want to, I will. I'll decide on my own.
Alrighty then. I'll see you later.
Oh, and David's about to be here. He'll be sleeping over, and just a warning, we're gonna stay up all night playing video games and watching scary movies.
Fine. You can do whatever you want. You're in charge.
Mm-hmm.
You need anything while I'm out?
Yeah. More ice cream.
More ice cream.
Man, I can't believe your mom was letting us do this. This is so awesome.
Yeah, this is the... Ow!
What's wrong?
It's just my stomach. I probably shouldn't have eaten all that candy.
All right, boys. I'm going to bed. David, I left you some blankets out here on the couch.
Thank you.
You need anything else before I go?
Nope, we're good.
And you sure you don't want me to make dinner? You guys are gonna get sick.
I said we're good.
Okay. Well, try to get some sleep. And please make sure you brush your teeth.
Don't tell us what to do.
Man, if I ever talked to my mom that way, I don't even know what would happen.
Like I said, I'll do what I want around here.
Yeah, until tomorrow. I'm getting sleepy. Wanna play?
What? You can't get sleepy. I'm gonna stay up all night.
You sure that's a good idea?
Are you kidding?
Okay.
Yes! I won! David, wake up, man.
What time is it?
Bruh, it's not even 2 a.m. Come on, you can't fall asleep. I thought we were gonna watch scary movies.
You sure we should just go to bed?
No, we gotta make the most of this. Who knows if we'll ever be able to do this again.
Okay, fine. Put something on.
All right. Let's finish what we were watching yesterday.
What are we gonna do? I don't wanna die. Please! The phone's out there! Anything. No.
David! Bro, that was so scary. Did you even see that?
I'm sorry, I can't stay up. I'm just gonna go sleep in the living room.
Hold on, wait. Are you sure you don't want to sleep in here?
No, I'm just gonna go sleep on the couch. Good night.
Wait! Leave the lights on, please!
Don't be such a scaredy cat.
Ah! What was that? Hello?